Hi friends, this is Kuldeep and welcome back to the channel Knowledge Wikipedia. So in this channel, as I already told that I used to bring the educational related content, especially for the 12th class student. So last for the 2 months, I am covering top 10 B school series in India. So already I have covered 7 schools under the same topic. So this video we will be covering our 8th university, and the name of the university is IP University, that is Indraprasth University. So we will be discussing all the details about the infrastructure of the IP University. What is the fee structure? What are the programs offered by the university? Where it is located? What is the exam pattern? How the exam admissions used to take place, whether on merit and on entrance examinations. So especially I am covering these videos according to the BBA program for the 12th class students university. So there are more than 30-40 colleges under the IP University. So, and in the mid of the video we will be discussing that what are the top 5 or top 7 colleges of IP University. So stay till the last. We will be discussing each and everything about the university and the colleges, best colleges. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming videos to my channel. So let's start the content for the day. Okay, so guys, IP University के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. IP University basically a Delhi state government university situated in Dwarka location of Delhi, New Delhi, and it was established in the year 1998, and it has been ranked 73 by the NIRF, that is National Institute for Ranking Framework, in the year 2019. It has also been accredited A+ category by the NAAC, and it has been recognized by the University Grant Commission and approved by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. So this is a little bit background of the IP University. And next we can say that IP University holds at 85% seats for the Delhi candidates and 15% for the outside Delhi candidates. It means that because for the Delhi students, the one of the major university to go into the is Delhi University, and after Delhi University one of the preferred universities is IP University. So those who are not getting into the Delhi University at least, so this is the main university for the students residing in Delhi as a main target. So if it is holding 85% seats, it means that most of the students are having a fair chances to get admission into the IP University. Okay, next we will be discussing like directly IP University campus is not offering BBA program, but BBA program is offered by the colleges which is affiliated by the IP University. Means you have to take admissions into the colleges which is affiliated by IP University, and approximately 30 to 40 colleges are there under the IP University, and some are best colleges and some are mediocre colleges, some are low level colleges. But the student must think of this thing that they have to get a best rank to get the best college into the IP University, best college of IP University, because it matters when you will be getting placed, because the good colleges will be giving a very good placement and the mediocre colleges will be giving the average placement. So it depends totally on the value of the college, on the brand image of the colleges, and what are the faculties available into the colleges, what they are teaching the students, and how they are placing the students. So everything get closed or get winded up by the students when they are getting placed by the colleges, because ROI is seen in terms of what they are giving fees to the colleges and what they are getting in return. So I would like to suggest that the student should get best colleges so that they can get the best placement after their graduation. Okay, so after this we will be discussing that what are the courses offered by the university. So IP University offering almost all the courses, like for undergraduate category it is offering BCom program, BBA program, BSc program, BCA program, BGMC program, hotel management program. For PG programs, it is offering MCA, MBA, MBBS. Engineering programs, there it is also offering that is Bachelor of Architecture, BTech into Civil Engineering, BTech into Mechanical Engineering, BTech into Computer Engineering. So as I am preparing this video or I am preparing this top 10 B school series according to the BBA program, so I will be more focusing on the BBA program of IP University. Okay. So we will be discussing about the admission procedure of the IP University and the colleges under IP University. Okay. So before admission, I must tell you the eligibility. What is the eligibility for BBA program? The eligibility of BBA program is very simple. The student must have cleared 12th class with a minimum percentage of 50% for the BBA program. For some courses it is also taken 45%, but for the safer side, the student must have got at least 50% to take the eligibility or to fill the application form for the BBA program. Okay, next, once the student has filled the BBA application form, the test will be conducted and the name of the test is IPUCET, Indraprasth University Common Entrance Test. So, on giving this test, the student will be eligible to take admission into BBA program, BCom program, BCA program, BGMC program and BHMS program, hotel management program. So, these are the courses into which students will be able to take admission by giving IPUCET entrance test. Okay. So, this is the admission criteria. In later part, I will be discussing also that what is the examination pattern for the BBA program. So, before that we will be discussing that what is the fee structure of the BBA program into IP University. So, as I already told that IP University has given affiliations to many of the colleges which are private. So, the student will be getting admission into the colleges and the fees varies from colleges to colleges. Like it happens like the university had set a minimum university fees or the tuition fees. After that college also charge some fees. So, let's suppose if any college like WIPS, Vivekananda Institute for Professional Studies, it is charging 70,000, it means the college university has set 70,000. So, definitely college will also set charge some fees extra to that, extra to 70,000. So, it may vary from 70,000 to 1 lakh approximately. So, on an average we can say that most of the colleges under IP University will be charging between 70,000 to 1 lakh or 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 20,000. So, the student must have take a variation into the fee structure in their mind. Okay. So, before going further, here I would be telling you that what are the best colleges for IP University. So, I will be telling top 5 colleges under the IP University. So, number 1 college is Maharaja Surajmal, that is MSIT Maharaja Surajmal Institute for Technology, which is situated in Janakpuri. Number 2 is Maharaja Agrasen, situated in Pitampura. Number 3 is WIPS, Vivekananda Institute for Professional Studies. 4th is JIMS, Jagannath Institute for Management Studies, and 5th is JIMS, again Jagan Institute for Management Studies. So, these are the top 5 colleges. और इसके बाद अगर मैं 1-2 की और बात करूँ तो जिसमें वी कैन इंक्लूड like JIMS Vasant Kunj, JIMS Rohini and IITM Janakpuri and Trinity Institute. So, these are the BPIT, these are the some of the colleges after top 5. So, we can include in those colleges into top 7 or top 10. So, further you can check the list over the website of the IP University. So, these are the top colleges. Okay. So, if I tell you about the cutoff, so for getting into the Maharaja Surajmal Institute for Technology, that is MSIT, which is one of the best and top college of IP University, the student must have scored approximately 200 to 300 rank to get into the MSIT. For Maharaja Agrasen, 300 to 500, for WIPS at least from 600 to 700. So, these are the ranks for the top 3 colleges. Okay. So, as I told you earlier that I will be discussing that what will be the sections coming into the IPU set paper. So there majorly there are 4 sections, that is English, GK, Math and Logical Reasoning. English we can say verbal ability, and GK including 3 parts, that is static GK and static GK, corporate GK and general awareness, that is current affairs. Third is quantitative aptitude or maths we can say, and later is logical reasoning. So these are the 4 major parts. So exam pattern की बात कर लेते हैं. The timing for the IPU set paper will be 2.5 hours. Then this is the duration for the paper. Questions will be 100 for every single question. You will be getting 4 marks as a correct answer, and you will be getting -1 for the negative answer. So there is a negative marking as well. Mode will be offline. You will be given the paper offline, in offline mode, and language will be English. No other language will be given to the students to give paper. So these are the paper for the paper pattern or examination pattern for IPU set. Before ending this video, I will be a little bit discussing about that what are the facilities which is given to the students by the colleges in which the student is studying. So majorly there are 4 to 5 things which is covered by each and every college. Like first of all, the library is there. Library these days is into the offline and online mode both. Hostel facilities are also available for the outsider students, and medical care facilities are also available within the premises, campus premises. Then playground or the sports complex are also available in each and every college, and banks and ATMs are also available to the nearby of the colleges. So these are the basic facilities and amenities which is given by the student, which is given to the students by the campus or the colleges. Okay, so IP University is one of the preferred university after Delhi University for the Delhi students. So यहाँ पर बच्चों को ये देखना है कि अगर वो IP यूनिवर्सिटी में जा रहे हैं तो उनको बेस्ट कॉलेज मिले ताकि उनको बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट मिल सके, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली स्टूडेंट इज स्टडिंग फॉर द प्लेसमेंट पर्पस. बिकॉज अगर उनको प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलेगा तो डेफिनेटली दे विल बी इनटू द नैरो माइंडेडनेस की BBA पढ़ के या कुछ भी प्रोग्राम करके नहीं हुआ. So I must tell that no program is bad, but it depends upon the brand value of the college, the faculties available in the college, what are the services are given to the students by the colleges. It depends on to that. So if I tell you about the placement, a little bit placement about the IP University colleges like WIPS, Maharaja Surajmal, Maharaja Agreshan. So these colleges are giving a better placement at the graduation level, which is not very bad. So we can say 3 lakh to 6 lakh is on an average placement for the students, and if on a higher side we can say so 7 to 8 lakhs after graduation. So which is a very good package after graduation. This is all about the IP University and the colleges of IP University. Again I will be reminding you the top 5 colleges of IP University, that is MSIT, Maharaja Surajmal Institute for Technology, WIPS, Vivekananda Institute for Professional Studies, MAIT, Maharaja Agreshan Institute for Technology, JIMS, Jagannath Institute for Management and Technology, Management Studies, and last is Jagan Institute for Management Studies. And apart from that, BPIT, Bhagwan Parshuram Institute for Technology, and after that that is Trinity College, IITM. So these are the top 5 or top 7 colleges which a student must focus if they have targeted that I have to get into the IP University. So this is all about the IP University in this video. So covering this video, I have completed my 8th video under the series of top 10 B school series. So if any student wants to see this the rest of the previous 7 parts of the video, so I have given the link into the description. They can click the link and see the videos. And if any student wants to give any suggestion or any feedback, so they are most welcome. If you have any queries, you can comment me under the comment box, and if you have not subscribed the channel, you can subscribe the channel, because आगे भी मैं ऐसे ही एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड वीडियोस लेकर आने वाला हूँ. So till the time, please stay tuned, and happy learning and happy study, and best of luck for your 12th class examinations, boards examinations. Thanks a lot.